Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show week numbers on the journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. If you want to enable to show the week numbers, go to the lower bar and click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. And in the calendar options section, you can find the show week numbers button. Actually, if you want to use this function, you can buy the premium, but I don't have. But if you want to buy and turn on this function, click to the next white circle, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.